Hello everybody. I grow such microgreens, this sunflower, and I'm gonna show you how I harvest it with scissors. With my scissors. You can do it with knife, or you just can take it like this. So I just take them and cut from the down. Like this, and then I can clean it. I will show you in next video how I clean it. And like this you can harvest your microgreens, 5-7 days, and you have kilo of good food, healthy. Like this. For example, for one time it's enough for me, I don't sell it, I take it for me. And for one time it's enough for me and my family. And next time I will cut more, this one will grow more, because if I cut all one, it will be dying, can be losing water. But now it's fresh, fresh good, and you can cut every time fresh part, Okay? Enjoy. See you. Bye bye.